In the year 2008, Steel Authority of India Limited management invited us to start a kitchen in one of its units in Bhilai. So the Bhilai Steel Plant management provided us the land and the old building for us to set up this kitchen. The kitchen facility that we have here is a state-of-the-art kitchen wherein meals are cooked in a very controlled environment.
Personally, I had the opportunity to visit the kitchen. Excellent facilities, the way they prepare the food, the way the vegetables are handled, the way they do the quality control of the raw material which they are procuring for cooking, as well as how they measure the nourishment which each child is receiving and how they keep an eye on the taste of the local child. As I understood that, say in Chhattisgarh, the children love to eat rice, unlike North India. So Akshay Patra has made all their midday meals here rice based.
The most basic need of a child is a decent meal, and Akshay Patra's mission is also to fulfill that most basic need of a child. So Akshay Patra, by cooking a full-fledged, tasty, nutritious, hygienic meal, is trying to fill this most basic gap in a child's life. And we are currently feeding about 25,000 children every day for the last nearly 10 years from this kitchen facility here in Bhilai. And we look forward to serving more number of children from this existing kitchen. We are very grateful to Bhilai Steel Plant as well as to the government of Chhattisgarh for providing us an opportunity to provide an afternoon lunch to thousands of children all over Bhilai every day. This couldn't have happened without the continued support from Bhilai Steel Plant as well as government of Chhattisgarh.
SAIL is indeed privileged to be associated with Akshay Patra in providing wholesome and nourishing meals to children through Akshay Patra's midday meal scheme.